Hi, today I'm for the OPPO A1 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings and tap to the Wi-Fi icon. Here click to the Wi-Fi switcher to activate Wi-Fi and you'll see here all of the available networks. For example, let's select one from these networks. Here we should enter the password. To see the password, click here to this eye icon. And after that, tap on the right upper corner so we could see that we just successfully connected to the network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open first the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Just click on the icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while. You'll see here all of the available networks, or to launch full Wi-Fi settings, tap here to more. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.